With the Supreme Court backing the clean chit that has been given by SEBI to Adani Group on the Hindenburg report, what will be the legal fallout? What will be the market fallout? How are the investors viewing it? All that is a subject of discussion. Joining me now is Justice Chitambaresh. Thank you so much for your time. How do you look at this judgment, sir?
The judgment of the Supreme Court reinforces the confidence of the public on SEBI. Its regulatory measures have been appreciated, applauded by the Supreme Court. Now, the wild allegations made against SEBI or made against Adani Group has been thrown out. The Supreme Court has meticulously scrutinized all the investigations conducted by SEBI. SEBI has conducted as many as 24 investigations, out of which 22 are complete, and the investigations reveal that the allegations are unfounded. The allegation that shell companies have made investments in Adani Group are totally unfounded, baseless allegations that has been found so by the Supreme Court on a meticulous analysis of the material on record.
And Justice Chitambaresh, would you also say that there is almost like a system of PILs which is playing out? What the Apex Court has also said that the petitions were without any research or basis, and that basing a petition on an external report cannot be seen as an evidence. Do you think this is in a way also sending a message that many of these PILs which are filed are with political intent or politically motivated in nature?
Exactly. Many public interest litigations are publicity interest litigations. This court has found that the writ petition filed in the Supreme Court invoking Article 32 is without any basis, without any research conducted, without any fundamental foundation at all. It has held that the specialized regulator SEBI has been acting very fairly, and that no fraud or any irregularity has been conducted so far, and that its regulatory measures have been applauded.
And Justice, would you also say that when you say that it reinforces the faith of people on SEBI, this is needed because if the institutions in India do not enjoy the confidence of the people of India, then they lose their sanctity.
Unless the public confidence is reinforced, is boosted, the entire security market will fall. And this judgment is a testament to the working functioning of SEBI, which is the specialized regulator, in the field.
And when the Supreme Court said that SEBI must probe if the Hindenburg report violated law, caused harm to investors, do you think the focus is on the investors, given the fact that we know that 4 lakh crore is the amount of loss to the investors?
That's an unfounded allegations as found by the Supreme Court now. The expert committee was constituted, headed by Justice Sapre. Then it also found that the regulatory, the SEBI own investigation conducted revealed that there is no hanky-panky in the functioning of the Adani Group.
And speaking in the context of investors, do you think in terms of, when you say that it will reinforce people's confidence or people's faith in SEBI, it would also ensure investor sentiment, strengthen that sentiment?
It will certainly strengthen the sentiment of investors. It will certainly prompt the investors to invest more in Indian market. The Indian market will get stabilized. The functioning or the role of SEBI in regulating the security market has been once again reiterated, reinforced.
And what do you say about that what else should be done to ensure that the short sellers do not have a field day the manner in which Hindenburg had in India?
I would have been happy if some compensatory costs was awarded in the repetition while dismissing it. Such baseless reports, in order to gain publicity, should never be entertained. This is Heidelberg report, which is one such report which created anguish among the investors. Ultimately, it turned out to be baseless.
All right. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thank you.